Hey y'all, it's Sharla from the Hartselle Homestead. I'm so excited to be here with you sharing the newest Creative Retreat Kits collection, Such a Time. As soon as I opened this box, it just brought a smile to my face. It is such a happy kit. We have gorgeous creative elements in these beautiful summery colors. We have a glossy and cardstock sticker sheets, and my favorite tiny alpha stickers in 4 colors. I love these because they are so useful. They're good stash builders. You can mix and match all the colors from all the different kits. They're wonderful fun. We have a great versatile stamp set, a fabulous new beautiful orange washi, and then a wonderful, wonderful devotional study written by Christina Fox. It is going to guide us through a study of Esther this month. The watercolor florals on the back of the devotional inspired my scripture writing layout this week, and y'all, it was so easy. I love doing these layouts quick and easy because really it's about just prepping a pretty page so that I can go in every day and have all the art done and spend some time reading, reflecting, and doing some writing. So I created a sticker sheet using elements from the devotional. Now, if you don't have the Faithfilled digitals, I use the digitals to do this. But if you don't have that, you can simply make copies of your devotional card because it's the back of your card. But the Faithfilled digitals are a great add-on, and it will extend your kit. Just give you a little tip there. But just look at how many watercolor floral stickers I got from just printing a copy. Now this was about 1 and then half again on the back of the back of the card, and I put it on clear sticker paper. Y'all know I love to fill up a page, so if there was a gap in other elements between that and the one copy, I filled it up with another half. I did also, when I was creating this page, put 2 copies of the front of the devotional card so I could use it as a kit sticker. And then I did a couple of the little verses that were focused on in our devotional. And I put the strip of scriptures so that I could put those on each day. And that would guide me through the reading, and I could focus on each one of those pieces. You can fit a lot onto one page. Now, you could also print this on cardstock if you are not a sticker paper user or don't have any. Now, I just ordered a box on Amazon whenever I got mine. But you could do this on cardstock paper and just cut it all out and have paper ephemera pieces. There are lots of options with your kit. You can do a lot of things with it. I have kind of used sticker paper in here in this particular journal just to keep it a little flatter since I'm going to have so many weeks and it gets a little thick through the year. Occasionally I'll probably pop in some other things, but when I have florals such as this and can make a big sweep around the page with just adding these stickers, that's what I'm going to do. And I filled the top of my 2 pages across the 2-page spread here with pieces just kind of replicating that floral swag that's on our Devo cover. And then I moved around the page and I will frame it in just putting some more little bunches of florals and the foliage in the bottom corners. Christina this month is reminding us that God has ordained plans and purposes for his people, for Esther and for us as well. You know, God does not record these notes in scripture so that we can see that and go, well, that was great for Esther. That was great for Ruth. That was great for David. No, these are all recorded so that we can grow and learn and continue to be encouraged from his word. Not only has God called us and given us a purpose, he also equips us for that purpose. He provides us with people in our lives who will teach us about God as we are growing up, whether we are young in church or whether we are adults in church. We're growing in the word. We should be growing daily. And God has given us people and surrounded us with people to guide us and encourage us to do his will, just as Mordecai did for Esther. Now, after I finished my floral frame around these pages, still having stickers left for Bible page entry, tell you get a lot out of it. I did add some of my favorite little cardstock wonky hearts. You know I love those. To the lines that I set aside each day for my gratitude writing. So I usually save about 3 lines, and so I just kind of put a little sticker element on the end to denote those. Also, in this journal, I don't know if I've mentioned this before, I love to use the InkJoy gel pens because one, they do write well, but two, they have so many colors and I can always find a match to a kit and it just brightens up the pages a little bit more. I am looking forward to breaking down this month's study into daily chunks all week this week. I hope you join us for such a time. Subscribe if you haven't already to the Creative Retreat Kids channel because you can join us and listen as each of the ladies on the team share what God is showing them as we all work through this month's study together. It's great to be part of a community who are studying the same devotional together, and you can kind of learn little snippets along the way. There is a shopping link in my notes below if you need a physical or digital kit. I'll be back in a couple of weeks to share some more reflections with you from this kit. I hope y'all have a blessed day.